Nothing, the innovative tech company founded by Carl Pei, has been stirring anticipation with its upcoming smartphone, aptly named the Nothing Phone 2a. With the official announcement slated for March 5, 2024, tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its unveiling. The device is also set to make its presence felt at the prestigious Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona, Spain, scheduled between February 26 and 29, adding to the buzz surrounding its release. Excitement escalated further with a recent leak originating from D-Labs, divulging crucial details about the configurations, pricing, and color variants of the Nothing Phone 2a, specifically tailored for the French market. This valuable information was shared by developer Dylan Roussel, who has previously proven to be a reliable source by leaking significant details about the device, such as its chipset, glyph interface, and model number, back in December 2023. According to circulating rumors, the Nothing Phone 2a promises to offer a captivating visual experience with its 6.7-inch AMOLED panel, boasting in Full HD Plus resolution and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. Photography enthusiasts can rejoice as the device is anticipated to sport a 32-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies, coupled with a formidable dual 50-megapixel camera system on the rear. Notably, the rear shell is expected to introduce a fresh 3-part glyph interface, enhancing the device's aesthetic appeal. Beneath the sleek exterior lies robust performance capabilities powered by the Dimensity 7200 chipset. Accompanying this powerhouse is a substantial 4920 mAh battery, fortified with 45 watts fast charging support to keep users powered throughout their day. Security features are set to include an in-screen fingerprint scanner, offering convenient yet reliable authentication methods. The Nothing Phone 2a is projected to run on the latest iteration of Nothing's proprietary operating system, Nothing OS 2.5, based on the Android 14 platform, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. The base model of the Nothing Phone 2a is slated to come equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, catering to users' everyday needs with efficiency and speed. Priced competitively at €349, this variant promises to deliver exceptional value for money. Furthermore, consumers will have the choice between classic white and sleek black color options, allowing them to select the variant that best complements their style and preferences. With these two distinct options, Nothing aims to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of smartphone users, ensuring that everyone can find the perfect fit for their lifestyle. Whether it's the sleek appearance, powerful performance, or ample storage capacity, the Nothing Phone 2a is poised to redefine the smartphone landscape and offer an unparalleled user experience at an accessible price point. As anticipation continues to build ahead of its official launch, tech enthusiasts eagerly await the opportunity to get their hands on this groundbreaking device and experience the future of mobile technology firsthand. With its promising specifications and innovative features, the Nothing Phone 2a is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. As the countdown to its official debut continues, anticipation mounts, and enthusiasts eagerly await the moment when Nothing's vision of the future of smartphones becomes a reality. Thank you for staying with us and watching my videos every day. Have a nice day and God bless you.